Good morning. Michael Massarang here again. And today I'm here with Chris Merman at Piedmont Foundation Repair. And we're doing a project here off of Independence in Charlotte, off Sardis Road, for a property management company. We were contacted through the structural engineer that designed this repair. They referred us to the property management company to bid this project. We were the only ones really qualified to bid the project. And what we're doing here is we're stabilizing an old timber retaining wall. This is what we call a soil nail stabilization program. As you can see here, we have vertical timber whalers that are now being tightened and incorporated into this wall. Normally we don't have the opportunity to get so detailed, so this is a good wall for the public to see. We were actually able to excavate behind the wall as well with this protocol, so that we could not only apply our soil nail technology and the mechanical hardware, but we're also able to pull this wall back, which is don't always have that opportunity. So I wanted to talk to Chris a little bit today about some of the special features of this wall, which is unique to this company. We are a limited access drilling company with a special expertise that most of the companies do not have. And we were able to help this client with this limited access situation. As you can see, we're on a creek. We have a decent amount of room to work, but no equipment. This is all hand equipment, no heavy machinery that we use. And we wanted to be able to share with the public this limited access advantage that we have to be able to get projects like this. And in Charlotte, there are thousands and thousands of lineal feet of these old retaining walls that were built in the 70s and 80s. And so if you're a property management company, and you need, or you're an engineer or some professional that's involved with a project like this, we would be interested in participating in a project like this. So I'll walk up here and Chris, what is now we see back here, these are the soil nails, that the embedment that goes into the bank beyond, and I noticed you had to sleeve it.
Yes.
And tell me about what this advantage is here over, let's say, a traditional manufactured system, helical tieback system, or one of these older systems.
Well, the helicals would be very difficult to get in because, again, you can't get equipment back here, and then you would have to be doing the installation by hand. But by hand, you would have to overcome all the debris and the obstructions in the, like even you see right here, there's just pieces of timber and stuff in the backfill. The helical would never really get around that, as to where we could drill around it or drill through it. That's the first advantage, and obviously the limited access, and it's a lot less physically intrusive, with the drilling techniques versus the helical installations. But right now, as you can see, we've got everything installed. We had everything installed and grouted last week, and now we're setting up we just got done setting up the last hardware, and now we're cutting loose the wooden dead men that were supposed to stabilize this wall when the wall was built. Once we cut that loose, then we're going to start drilling the wall back in and straightening it up.
And once we pull the wall back in, we'll backfill all this
with gravel
and gravel, drain. Yeah,
gravel and drain system. Yes.
What about like the old style earth anchors and that type of stuff?
Not strong enough.
Yeah, doesn't have the capacities. And the paper, the engineering diagram says a 5,000 kip anchor. What do you think these are? Or you've load tested these, right?
5,000 working, it's 10,000 ultimate. These things are a minimum. They're 15, 20,000 pounds a piece, each of these anchors.
And we will confirm that with independent load testing.
Yes.
So this is kind of a neat moment here because we're just about ready to tighten these anchors and pull this wall back. So this is a fun moment to be here. So, but that kind of sets the table for the next stage. And here in a few minutes, we'll see them tightening the wall and actually getting some return on that. So we stand by. Well, as you can see, the wall has pulled back quite a bit now. We've tightened the wall. Still got a little work to do here, but this generally we wanted to show what happens when you tighten these soil nails down. And this is, this will be the finished product. They cut the ends off, and the mechanical hardware, the final touch gets put on this, and then we can paint this to match the color of the wall. Chris, is there anything you want to add about the end of the project as we progress towards finishing that you want to share with the public about the soil nail wall?
No, this was an excellent application, and it's a lot more cost effective than trying to remove the wall and rebuild it, because the problem is you have municipal utilities and the main sewer line and everything behind this wall. It would have just been an expensive nightmare. So this was definitely saved a lot of time and money and restored the aesthetics and the integrity of everything, to the wall.
How much production time did you have out here?
In total, this is going to be, well, we've lost time because of rain and snow and ice, but we'll have about close to 3 weeks wrapped up in this project here.
Okay. Well, great. Yeah, I appreciate you letting me come out today and review this work site to talk about a soil nail retention program. So if you're a property management company, homeowners association, or a structural engineer that's into stabilizing timber retaining walls, we'd appreciate a phone call. And you can call me at the number at the bottom of your screen, visit our website, and we'll be glad to have a consultation with you over the phone or come out to the work site and take a look and help you develop the project. But again, this is Chris Merman, Piedmont Foundational Repair, down on the south side of Charlotte, doing a soil nail retention program on a timber retaining wall. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Thank you.